Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to make lemon cheesecake. Firstly mix 300 grams of crushed biscuits with 150 grams of butter. Then add the mixture to a spring foam tin. Line it with greaseproof paper or cling film. Spread the mixture evenly, then place it in the fridge. Now add cream cheese to a mixer and mix until creamy. Gradually add 100 grams of icing sugar. Now add food colouring, lemon essence and double cream. Mix until it's thick and creamy. Spread the mixture evenly on the biscuit base. Leave the cheesecake in the fridge for at least 2 hours before serving. Before serving, spread lemon curd on the cheesecake and then add cream. I also add lemon jelly sweets on top. I hope you like this recipe. I upload every week. Please subscribe for more. Bye!